Hi, this is Sandy Doctor. If you use a string trimmer, you realize you use a lot of lines and they are quite expensive. For example, this AF100, a rather common one for Black Decker. This one costs $8. The other day, I realized I can go aftermarket. Amazon sell a lot of aftermarket one for much lower price. And this is the box I get. It have 8 rolls together with 2 cat and 2 spring. And guess what? The whole thing cost me $13. And by the way, I give you a link in the description if you like to buy the same after watching this video. If you do the calculation, one roll is $1.50 and this is 8. So indeed it is 80% off, and you have some extra, the tag and the spring for free. I already used one. This is an empty roll, as you can see. And there's another one in the trimmer right now. And this is a genuine one. And we can compare them. They really look exactly the same. And yes, again, this one is 80% off. So anyhow, I hope you find this video really helpful and can save you a lot of money. If so, first of all, I hope that you can like this video, or even better, subscribe to my channel. And again, link to the products is in my description to Amazon. You can just click them and buy them. Of course, you may have a different model and use a different type of line. I have 2 links for you. One is the exact same one, AF100, and the other one is more generic for pretty much anything else. Make sure you pick the right one. And yes, basically all of them are 80% off. So good luck and happy saving money. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.